Today I'm installing a Morris X5 mag, which basically rides where the generator would go in an Ironhead, right in there, right? So no more generator, you run the mag and the mag powers the lights. And that's it, and it runs off the intermediate gear, right? So there's the original intermediate gear on the top. This is Morris replacement or adapter gear. So the problem is, well, it's not really a problem, but making it not a bolt-in is when you go to put the intermediate gear in, it hits on the inside of the case on that rib down inside there. So kind of mark it just with a marker. Let me see if I can get it. There we go. So you can see where the gear kind of drug along the reinforcing rib right here. So we're going to get here and take part of this out, probably part of this out, and part of this. We'll see once we get this knocked down and the bushing actually touches right here, how close it, what else we need to take off. So I'm doing a cam change. So for me, I just pulled off, instead of just slacking the pushrod tubes, I just pulled it off, pulled all the cams out, taped off the cover, and I'm going to use a router. So I set a plunging router with a 3/4 inch high-speed steel bit. Just going to run it at slow speed since it's steel. You can go the way that Morris recommends, which is a sharp chisel right here. But whatever. If this doesn't work, then I'll probably be reverting to a chisel or maybe a burr on a high-speed grinder. So that's about it. Let me show you what it looks like. That wasn't so good, was it? All right, want to see what it looks like? Just like it was milled, right? So we got to go back. We got to catch that little black corner right there a little bit. Go down here and do that, touch that up. I'm going to have to pull the dowel pin or rework my router a little bit to get around the dowel pin. But you can see, low speed. I just kind of with that sorry. You saw when I kind of came across it right there, it just slipped, but it'll be all right. All right, I probably should have pulled the dowel pin to begin with, but I thought I could sneak around it. So, tech tip for you guys. Grab a pair of vice grips, heat the case. Really, I didn't even heat the case. I just pulled the dowel pin straight out, but you guys could heat the case. It'd probably come out cleaner, so. All right, we're going back to it now.
I didn't want to say anything until you're done.
Why is that?
Because all of a sudden it's like when you're not ready. Let's get.
What happens?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, you're doing the vid?
So
anyhow, check this out.
machinist hands.
All that time, man, having the music helps a lot.
What are we talking about?
That barking going bark.
Hold on, let me see if the gear fits.
Fuck.
Oh, look at that.
Are you recorded?
Yeah, all the way in. Super bitchin'.
No one believes it unless you record it. All the haters out there that got all tattoos, they never ride their bikes like total dicks.
So there you go. That's my tip. Router. Super clean finish. Could be a little bit better. My CNC hands aren't up to mil spec today, but too much caffeine. Anyways, I think it's a little better than the chisel method. You could probably still do it with the whole gear, with all the gears in there, you know? I mean, like I said, I closed mine off, but... All right, that's it.